This is a video of my 5 teddy bears that are ready to go at Christmas. Little E1 in the corner, there. I just got done taking pictures and put him on the blanket. I think he's a little scared still. Meow, come around. Trying to find which ones are which. Oh, okay, that was B1, and this is E1, right here. And that, of course, is the female. This is E1. Oh, he's cute. Wow. Okay, and this is D1. D1. And that's the female. Okay, let me see which ones. Okay, we got E1 and D1 right here. We got the female, of course. Sorry about the camera action. I'm trying to figure out which one. This is C1 and B1. Okay, so now I'll just kind of do this.